Hi Community Schools family, it's Miss Patty.
And Miss Alex.
And today we are going to show you how to make a quick bird feeder.
Okay guys, so you just need some peanut butter, a popsicle stick, a roll, a plate, bird feed, and a piece of string. Okay, so first you're going to grab your roll. Then you are going to use your popsicle stick to apply peanut butter to it. Now that the roll is covered in peanut butter, the next step is to cover the roll with birdseed. Now the last step is to grab your string, insert it through the roll, and make a knot so that you can hang it on the tree. And there you have it guys, a quick and simple bird feeder that you can make and hang outside during the summertime. Right after me and Miss Alex went outside to hang our bird feeders, I decided to choose my spot right over here. And Miss Alex hung her bird feeder right over here. We hope this activity is quick and simple for you and that you guys continue to have a great summer.